front of me is a hibiscus acetosella seedling. It's only just starting to get its little hibiscus leaves. It'll eventually have really beautiful plummy grape colored red leaves that I'm super excited about. What I want to focus on today is right there, and that is a bend in the stem that I caused. That was my fault. I essentially dropped the little 4-inch pot down into the crevice of my window. You can kind of see where the windowsill is. This stem, oh, not my jatropha's, but this stem essentially bent right there. And let me tell you, I was so upset with myself because I haven't successfully repaired a seedling until now. It happened just a few days ago, and he is now standing up on his own and is super healthy looking, so I could not be more grateful. But what I want you to do is think about when a human breaks their bones, you need a cast or you need some sort of splint. The first thing I did was actually lean him up against a pot like this so that there was no way for the bend to keep occurring even after he'd been bent in half. Essentially what I was doing was giving the seedling a splint so that the cells could continue to travel up and down the stem and that it would repair itself sort of like an arm or leg does when it's broken. You want it to be in the correct position so that your blood can still flow, and it's the same here. You want the stem to be in the correct position so that as the plant continues to grow and tries to send itself nutrients from bottom to top, that it will repair itself as necessary. One thing that I didn't try but that you could definitely do is use floral tape or even just regular Scotch tape and tape this like sort of like a cast, if you would even call it that. In my case, I didn't have any tape on hand to put a cast on it, but I probably would in the future if this happened again. I also know that this guy's a little leggy looking for a hibiscus, so I have him in a super sunny window and I'm trying to keep him as wet as possible so that he gets all the nutrients he can, and this way hopefully I can get him to be a bit more stout. If you do see a broken stem, make sure to pick it up and try to prop it up as soon as possible and don't let it sit there like that. That is a sure way to kill the plant. Thanks, guys.